Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to create frequency table from raw data. As you can see, we have some raw data from an example that we studied in class. And that example is the plain bag of M&Ms. As you can see, we have pieces of M&Ms with different colors. So the first step to create the frequency table is to create the criteria and the frequency. My criteria is the color and the frequency. I'm going to highlight that as well. So to find the first frequency, which is how many brown pieces we have in the plain bag of M&Ms, I'm going to use the function countf. So you type equals and then countf, and the function will pop up like that. Click it. As you can see, this function has a range and a criteria. So my range is going to be all of my raw data. I'm going to highlight that. And please don't forget to lock your range, and I will discuss why you should lock your range. And then comma, and the criteria is the color. So I'm going to start with the brown color. Now click enter. As you can see, Excel is very smart. It's going to put parentheses automatically. Now to calculate the rest of the frequencies, I'm going to pull this square. As you can see, that square, if you pull it down, it's going to automatically calculate the rest of the frequencies for the colors. Now, if you click on 9 and look at my range, the range did not change because I locked it. If you click on the blue, the range is still this area right here. It did not change. Let's see what happens if I did not lock my range. So I'm going to say equals count if, and then I'm going to choose the range, and this time I'm not going to click F4 to lock the range. I'm going to put the comma and then choose the first criteria and enter. As you can see, the first color was correct. Let's see the rest of the colors. So the rest of the colors, as you can see, they are messed up. The reason why is because when you click here, you will see why. So in this case, I went down from the brown one row down. So this will go one row down. The range will go one row down as well, meaning it's going to go from A2 to E10. If you click here, you will see the ranges from A4. That means it started from this row all the way down to here. My range started to move, skipping those rows. That's why I'm missing some of my colors, as you can see here. So that's why it's very important to lock your range. I hope this helped, and I will see you in class.